Hey, you. Florida was fun, but you ready to go to New Orleans?
Let's do it. 8.5 hours. Here we go.
8.5 hours. Longest drive yet. You ready? You ready back there?
Let's do it.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode. As I mentioned in the last vlog, I was running away from a tropical storm as I was leaving Florida. Luckily, I left early enough that I actually didn't run into any bad weather on the drive. Crossing the Florida state line into Sweet Home, Alabama. Right as I was crossing the Mississippi border, I got to watch this beautiful sunset. Made a quick stop at the Mississippi Visitor Center right after I crossed the border to let Prue out and stretch my legs, and then I was back on the road. Made it into New Orleans a little after 9:30. There's one quick recommendation I can give to anybody that drives to New Orleans or drives through New Orleans. Definitely drive the speed limit. There's a lot of potholes and some weird ramps that are on the end of bridges that almost launched my car. For my visit in New Orleans, I was actually staying at an Airbnb this time instead of a hotel. It was a little guest house behind that beautiful house that you saw at the beginning of the clip. And here it is.
Pretty cool.
So every morning I would wake up and Deborah, the Airbnb host, would actually bring me breakfast. How awesome is that? Most of the time it was from a little place called La Petite. Look at how good this breakfast looks. It was amazing every single morning. For the first couple days I just rode my bike around trying to get acclimated to the city. New Orleans is actually a pretty bike-friendly city. I would highly recommend anybody who's visiting to take their bike with them. It allows you to view a lot more of the city without dealing with all the traffic. I have a lot of friends that gave me advice on where to go in the city. This is a recommendation from Deborah, the Airbnb host. A little restaurant called N7 in a little township called Bywater. I would highly recommend it. The food was fantastic. This is Armstrong State Park. Named after Louis Armstrong, it's filled with all kinds of beautiful artwork and sculptures. Located right inside the French Quarter, it's definitely a great place to take your dog for a walk during the day. This is a river walk that wasn't located too far from my Airbnb. You can walk the river all the way down to the French Quarter. I purchased a new drone after I crashed my last one in the Chicago River, and it was finally time to take it out and give it a good test run. After flying the drone around for a while, I thought it was a good time to go ahead and head down to the French Quarter and go busking for a little while. The audio from this isn't too great as I was competing with other buskers that were out there and it was kind of windy. played until it got pretty late and then I decided to head home. As always, thank you so much for watching, and keep your eye out for the next couple episodes in New Orleans.